Welcome everybody to my art room. I'm just spreading some red paint around, and I'm going to do, I guess I'm going to do a air swipe Dutch pour. I have never done one with a red background before, so I'm gonna give it a whirl. So I'm just have some red house paint that I'm mixed with floetrol. I never know what it's going to turn out like, so just it's going to be a big surprise. I think I better get another glove on. To get down here, I think I need a little more paint. I came down here this morning to do some tidying up, and I just start tidying up, and then I get the urge to paint. So I got a little bit of tidying up done, and then all these ideas are going around in my head, and I just have to do something. Okay, just have to do this corner. Wow, I just had enough paint. I guess this could have been a little bit more runny. There. Oh, that looks so nice. Just give my hands a bit of a wipe. Take the air bubbles out. There was a lot because I just mixed this. Okay, so I'm just going to use up some of my paints that I had left over. I've got some turquoise and some deep turquoise, Actually, this is Prussian blue, turquoise, deep turquoise, prism violet, I think. There's not much of that left. And some rose, Liquitex, pink rose. So, I might just put, I think I'll put the turquoise down first. So, I just want to make sure this one's runny enough. This looked a little thick. So for this, you have to have a pretty runny paint so you can blow it with your hairdryer or your mini blower or your straw or your breath. I may as well just put this. There's not much of this purple, so add a tinge of water to it. Okay, that one's done. This is a deep turquoise. Okay. And this is Prussian blue. And then I have some pink. Yes. It's probably too much paint, but now I'm going to drizzle some white over it. Because I'm not going to blow paint over this. I guess I could, but I'm just going to try it like this and see. I mean, really, the white is on top. So that's the whole point, is to have the white on the top. Alright, so let's give this a try. I'm just going to drizzle some more red, but I don't have any left. Okay. Not sure whether I should use... No, I'll use my hairdryer. could have been a little more runnier, but it's the best I can do for now. Oh, it does look awesome though. Oh, I love this. It's very pretty. I'm gonna take my little mini blower and see if I can Wow, look at that. What do you think about that? I'm going to take my torch to it. There. I just think this is awesome. My base paint could have been a little bit more runnier and it might have flown out a little more, but I think this looks great. It's different with the red background and the red cells coming through. Pretty awesome. Now I'm going to hold this up for you. Cool, very cool. Well, I'm glad I came down to use up some paints and did this one. Well, have a great day, everybody. Please come back to my art room. You'll see some more amazing creations. All right, please subscribe and like. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Have a great day. I'll put the dried result at the end. Bye-bye.